Okay, this is the point. It's getting, the main stem is getting pinched. So this is the basically bolt. This is the basically bolt from the top. You can see this is the basically bolt which is pinching the stem from inner side, and this is the upper race. So you'll have to remove the upper race as well. This is a very tedious job because this is the aluminum casting, so it may get damaged while fitting this upper cone, so you have to be very careful. I'll show you how to do that. So first I'll remove the for this upper cone, and to do that you will have to basically use the hammer and the pipe. As you can see, there's a black color grease. That means the upper cone had some problem, and as you can see, there are some vertical lines. There are some vertical lines on the cone. That means there are some dents. Basically, that is the reason the vehicle was having rattling sound when she was running and when she was going through the pothole. So we'll remove the cone set now. I mean, okay. So guys, definitely in this case you will have to use hammer, but you have to be very careful when you are removing the upper cone, because as I said, this is a aluminum alloy. दिखाइए अभी नीचे से I know this is a very wrong procedure, but we cannot help out to remove this. Otherwise, there is another procedure. Just weld one of the T on the top of the cone from the bottom side on the surface, and then hammer it up again. Okay, so I just made special tool to remove the lower cone. A very simple tool what I have made, but very effective. As you can see, I just removed it in few seconds. In the Thunderbird video I have showed you this. So this is how we are going to fix up the upper cone. I don't prefer to use original this plastic cap. I only use this aluminum cap, which is a aftermarket cap. So this doesn't get bent and doesn't break also. So I prefer to use this. So now we have to fix up this cone in the headlight dome. Only precaution what you have to think, you have to check that those meters should not get damaged. This is the upper portion. So I'll show you now how to do that. Not that tricky as well, and not that hard to go. The only thing is what should not get damaged. The tape was used for masking purpose, so the coating should not go inside. But that can change the dimension, so we don't want that. Okay, so now we can press the thing. No. So I'm just going to press this will go easily, as I don't want to hammer while fitting again. So just make sure all the things are in line. And see, using, if you have a proper tool, as I said, then you are confident about the fitment. But if you don't have, then yes, definitely a lot of time. Okay. Okay. Leave. So still to go ahead, we'll just check out nothing is getting pinched. So we are ready to go ahead. This won't go inside, so definitely I'll have to use another piece basically to, I need a metal piece basically to press this unit, because unless and until this is nylon, so what happens basically, the nylon is getting compressed. I hope I can do it properly because I don't want to damage. Okay, let's try it. Okay, it's going in. Okay, it's pressed quite properly. So this one is gone inside without any problem. So the fitment is perfect. So guys, we have removed everything. Now we have refitted also everything. It's high time to do the reassembly of this standard cone set. I mean standard chassis cone set. Everything is intact, nothing is broken. Thanks to you guys for helping me out in this repair. So I'm just putting some grease first of all to, and then we'll install this cone set balls on the race. Just don't forget to use black grease. Don't try to use AP3 or the white grease. It's not that good, you know. Half of the procedure I have covered in Thunderbird, so you guys please check out that procedure. This procedure only, in this procedure only one pinching bolt and the dome nut setting is different apart from the Thunderbird. In that bike there are two chuck nuts or single chuck nut, because in some bikes you will find, not in Bullets but other bikes, other brands, you will find two chuck nuts, and in Bullet I have showed you there was only one nut. So now we are ready to install all the cone set balls.